Friends, today we are going to start with lesson number 5 of supplementary reader book, that is Vistas, and the lesson is Should Wizard Hit Mommy? Now, who is Wizard? Wizard is a man who is having magical powers. Now, actually, this lesson, it's a story about the world view of a little child and the difficult moral questions she raises during the story session with her father. Now, who is that little girl? The little girl is John, and her pet name is Joe, and the father is Jack, and the mother of Joe is Claire. Okay. Now, Jack was John and Bobby's father and Claire's husband. Jack was John and Bobby's father and Claire's husband. And he had to tell his little girl, Jo, a story. As a custom every evening before she went to bed. Actually, every child, no, he or she has got the habit of listening to the story before going to bed. And Jack, he used to tell her stories since she was 2 years old. Over the years, he ran short of ideas. So he told a variation of a tale where there was some small animal named Roger. Now, this animal would have a problem and he would go to the wise owl for advice. And the owl would tell him to go to the wizard. Wizard, as I told you, is a man with magical powers. Now, the wizard also helped Roger to solve the problem, but he took a fee, FEE, fee. Now, Roger, he wouldn't have the required amount, but the wizard would tell him how he could get the money. Roger would then find the money, pay the wizard, and go home and have a lovely dinner with his family. It was Saturday evening, and Jo wanted her father to tell her a story before she went to sleep. Jack asked Jo who would be Roger for that day, and Jo wanted to hear a story about skunk. Now, skunk, it's a cat-sized animal with black and white spots on its body and with a dirty smell. The father tried to be creative. He said that Roger's skunk smelled very bad, so other creatures hated him and would run away from him. They teased him by calling. Now, the father tried to be creative. He said that Roger's skunk smelled very bad, so other creatures hated him and would run away from him. They teased him by calling him Stinky Skunk. So Roger felt very bad. He had no friends. Jo felt upset when she heard about Roger's problem. But Jack was happy that Jo didn't find his story predictable. So he continued with his narration and also remembered the humiliation he had gone through in his own childhood. Now Jack heard a chair scrape downstairs and he knew that he should go down to help his 6 months pregnant wife Claire paint the woodwork. However, he continued with his story. Roger's skunk went to the wise owl that lived at the top of a very big tree. The big owl advised Roger to visit the wizard. Now Jo asked her father if magic spells were real. She had started becoming curious since some time. She wanted to know if spiders really ate bugs and if God was present everywhere. Jack cleverly told her that the magic spells were real in stories. Then he continued that Roger's skunk reached the wizard's home, but the wizard told him not to come close as he smelt bad. He asked Roger what he wanted to smell like. Roger said that he wanted to smell like roses. The wizard chanted a magic spell and Roger started smelling like roses. Jack mistakenly referred to Roger's skunk as Roger Fish, but his daughter caught the mistake and told her father about it and reminded that he should not forget the story he was telling her. The wizard asked Roger to give him 7 pennies. But Roger only had 4, so the wizard told him where to find the remaining 3 pennies. Roger had to go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down the magic spell. He did so and found the pennies. He brought them to the wizard. All the other creatures liked to play with Roger because he smelled so good. Jo was very happy with the way the story was going on. She realized that it would be the happy end. However, Jack didn't like women taking things for granted, so he brought a twist to the story. When Roger Skunk reached home, his mother got very angry. She found the new smell of roses awful, and she scolded Roger and told him that he didn't smell like a skunk anymore. She took him back to the wizard and she hit the wizard over his head and asked him to give Roger Skunk his original smell back. Jo was shocked because she felt that Roger would be lonely again. She felt that Mother Skunk was wrong and the wizard should hit her back. Jack continued with his story and said that Roger and his mother returned home and his mother was very happy because he smelled like a skunk again. Eventually, all the animals got used to his smell and didn't mind playing with him at all. Jo couldn't believe the story anymore and she felt that Mother Skunk was stupid. She asked Jack to tell her a story in which the wizard hits Mother Skunk next time. Jack tried to reason with her and told her that Roger Skunk loved his mother very much and Mother Skunk knew what was right for her baby. It seemed as if he was defending his own mother. This didn't go with Jo. She wanted to know what happened to Roger, Skunk, and his friends. Jack then told her that they didn't mind his smell and they let him play with them. She told him to tell her another story the next day, where she wanted the wizard to hit that mommy over her head for not letting Roger Skunk smell like roses. She blew her top till he told her that he would do something about it. Jack ordered John to go to sleep and went downstairs to his wife. He felt guilty looking around at the work she had completed. He found himself stuck in an ugly middle position. He could not convince his daughter that he was unable to tell another story, and on the other hand, his wife needed him. At the end of the story, we get a feeling that both husband and wife are caught up in a family tension cage from which both are unable to get out. Now, the here we end with the story. Now here you have just seen the title of the lesson, that is, should wizard hate mommy. Now you saw that how the wizard at last hits mommy. Mommy is the, here is the mother skunk. I told you who is skunk. Skunk is a cat-sized animal having black and white spots and it smells very dirty. And the mother skunk was hit by a wizard because she wanted skunk to smell again with that dirty smell, should have that same dirty smell. So here we end with this lesson. We'll be meeting with the next lesson of the supplementary reader. Till then, goodbye.